In this video, we'll learn how to find the value of the resistance of a carbon resistor from its color bands. So let's get started. So here is a carbon resistor. It has 4 colored bands. The first 3 band determines the value of the resistance, and the fourth one is the tolerance band. It indicates the error in the value. Now the fourth band remains slight distance apart from the rest 3 bands, so that you can identify which one is the first band and which one is the fourth band. Here yellow is the first band and silver is the fourth band. But if you are observing from the other side, then also the distant one is the fourth band. That means silver is the fourth band and yellow is the first band. So no matter from which direction you are observing, the distance one is always the fourth band. Now to find the resistance, you have to know the color coding. Here black means 0, brown means 1, red means 2, orange means 3, yellow means 4, green means 5, blue means 6, violet means 7, grey means 8, and white means 9. Now to remember this color coding, there is a trick for it. B. Roy is a good batsman and a very good wicketkeeper. B means black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and white. Now the first band indicates the first digit of the resistance. The second band indicates the second digit. And the third band indicates 10 to the power. Now here the first band is yellow, that means the first digit is 4. The second band is violet, that means second digit is 7. And third band is orange, that means 10 to the power 3. So the resistance is 47 into 10 cube ohms. Now for the fourth or tolerance band, there are only 2 colors available. One is golden and it means 5% error. One is silver and it means 10% error. And if the fourth band is completely absent or missing, then it means 20% error. Now here the fourth band is silver, so it has 10% error. So the resistance of this carbon resistor is 47 into 10 cube plus minus 10% ohms. Let's try another one. Here the first band is brown, that means the first digit is 1. The second band is black, that means the second digit is 0. The third band is yellow, that means 10 to the power is 4. The tolerance band is golden, that means there is 5% error. So the value of this resistance is 10 into 10 to the power 4, that means 1 lakh plus minus 5% ohms. So if you enjoyed this video, then tap on the like button, share this video with your friends, and tap the red subscribe button for more videos.